In this video, I'm gonna show how to allow camera and microphone access on Instagram in laptop. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm gonna do the process on my computer, but it's the same process on your laptop. The first thing you need to do is come on Instagram, so instagram.com, and log into your account. After that, you come to this lock icon, okay? So click on this icon, and you will see three options. The option that interests us is the third option, site settings. So click here, and here you will see all the permissions that Instagram have or not of your Google Chrome, okay? Then you just need to find camera and microphone. So find camera, click on top, and click allow, okay? And microphone on the third option, click allow, and that's it. You allow it camera and microphone access on Instagram in laptop. If you want to turn off, just come here, and click again and block, okay? So block, and you block it, the permission. I hope I help you on how to allow camera and microphone access on Instagram laptop. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.